Hello and welcome to our guide on how to invest for beginners. Investing can seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll be going over 7 simple rules to help you get started on your investing journey. Rule 1: Start with a budget. Before you start investing, it's important to have a budget in place. This will help you determine how much money you can afford to invest and how much you need to save for your future. Rule 2: Understand the difference between stocks and bonds. Stocks are shares of ownership in a company, and bonds are loans to a company or government. Understanding the difference between these two types of investments is crucial for making informed decisions. Rule 3: Diversify your portfolio. Diversifying your portfolio means investing in different types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This helps to spread out your risk and increase your chances of earning a return on your investment. Rule 4: Do your research. Before investing in any company or asset, it's important to do your research. This means reading financial statements, researching the company's history, and looking at current market conditions. Rule 5: Invest for the long term. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's important to invest for the long term and not try to make quick profits. This will help you avoid the potential risks of short-term investing. Rule 6: Be patient. Investing takes time and patience. It's important to have a long-term perspective and not get discouraged if your investments don't perform as well as you'd like in the short term. Rule 7: Seek professional advice. If you're new to investing, it's always a good idea to seek professional advice from a financial advisor or investment professional. They can provide valuable guidance and help you make informed decisions. And that's it. Those are our 7 simple rules for investing for beginners. Remember, investing is a journey and it takes time to build your portfolio. By following these rules and being patient, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching and happy investing.